Welcome into Love and Light, my beautiful Scorpios. I hope all is well. I hope you guys are feeling amazing, doing amazing here with your general reading, my beautiful Scorpio. Let's see what messages Spirit has for you for your greater good. Let there be truth and clarity in the messages for Scorpio Spirit. Please be sure to place the energy where you best see fit. Queen of Pentacles. Queen of Pentacles. And we have the Five of Pentacles. Okay. So we have the Queen of Pentacles, the Five of Pentacles, and we have the Hermit. At the bottom of the deck, we have the Emperor. Okay, let's see. Energy to embrace. Happiness. Okay. So this is about your happiness. What makes you happy? What makes you feel satisfied, satisfaction? So happiness is not just a feeling for you. It's a reclamation. It's the moment you realize you deserve softness, stability, and support after carrying so much alone. Happiness becomes the outcome of your healing journey. With the Queen of Pentacles here, Queen of Pentacles shows happiness through stability, self-care, grounded routines. Five of Pentacles shows the unhappiness you're finally acknowledging and releasing. And with the Hermit here, this shows the inner work that leads you back to your own joy, right? And then with the structure and boundaries that protect your happiness long term. So happiness here, this is about rebuilding your joy from the inside out. Happiness through self-nourishment, happiness after feeling unseen, and happiness through inner clarity. With the structure and boundaries to support it. Okay, so when it comes to the Emperor being at the bottom of the deck, this is the force that's guiding this reading. This is stepping back into authority over your life. After the hurt, after the withdrawal, after the healing, you rise with structure, boundaries, and clarity. Taking control of your responsibilities, rebuilding your life with intention. Yeah, leading yourself with strength and strategy. So yeah, stepping back into your power with strength and structure. Honoring your healing, reclaiming your stability, and leading your life with strength, clarity, and authority. So this is beautiful, right? This is beautiful because I feel like this is you being at the place that feels safe, supportive, You're choosing routines that support your well-being. You're getting your finances or responsibilities back in order so that you are creating a safe, stable environment for yourself, as well as those that you care for. Yeah. There was a time where you felt unsupported, unseen, or left out here, that made you feel as if you were doing things on your own. But I feel like now, yeah, this is moving. This is the calm here, moving to calmer waters. Growth and expansion is here. You've been turning inward to find your own truth with this hermit, taking space from draining people, reevaluating your priorities, healing in private, and trusting your intuition more than outside opinions is here as well. So I'm going to leave it here. This is a beautiful read, my beautiful Scorpios. Sending you love and light. Thanks for viewing.